Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert minute to hours in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first open your Excel document. Firstly, then I show the minute and hours bar. Then show the minutes. Then convert to the hours. Firstly, click for the hours bars and keyboard press from the equal. Then select the minute first is 120 minutes. Now for select, then slash, then press the 16, then press for the enter. Then select the all text. That's okay. Then I show the convert minute to hours in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.